Now in South Park, it is calmer now, but it was a much different scene earlier. Two families decided to leave their homes behind as water continued to rise to unsafe levels in their basements. As Briana Smith reports, the rest of the families are trying to clean up the mess from this morning.
We're on Church Street where two families decided to leave their homes after water rose to unsafe levels in their basement. As for the rest of the families, they're cleaning up the mess from this morning. A morning full of heavy rainfall left this section of Piney Fork Road flooded. Despite the rising water levels from Piney Fork Creek, drivers still try to cross the bridge that's in front of the Bethel Park wastewater treatment plant. Some made it through, but one car got stuck. Thankfully, the driver and his daughter were okay. While AAA and the Library Volunteer Fire Company came to the rescue, other first responders were on Church Street to assist people stuck in their homes. Peters Creek overflowed and flooded the area.
We have the water rescue team out of Jefferson Hills making their way down the roadway, checking homes one at a time, and evacuating residents the best we can.
The library fire chief says out of the 7 houses, 2 were evacuated. Only 4 adults and 3 children decided to leave. Rochelle Palmer, her husband, and 11-month-old baby were some of them.
A little stressed and frustrated, worrying that stuff's going to get ruined.
She says the water rose to her basement ceiling, and she hopes there won't be much damage when it's time to return home.
That we can come back in the house and we don't have to find a hotel room to stay in it tonight. But we packed over bags just in case.
And just a couple of feet away, the Port Authority Silver Line library route and parking lot were also underwater and had to close. Port Authority says they have to inspect the rails to make sure they're safe before they start operating again, and service is expected to resume today. Reporting in South Park, Briana Smith, KDKA News.